Welcome to Sales Intelligence and Data Tools. In this video, we're going to explore how modern sales teams use data and research tools to find better prospects, understand their needs, and close more deals. Whether you're new to sales or looking to improve your research process, this guide will help you master the tools and techniques that top performers use every day. Sales intelligence is the process of gathering and analyzing information about your prospects and target companies. It goes beyond just having a list of names and emails. Sales intelligence includes understanding a company's industry, their recent news, their leadership, their growth stage, and their pain points. This deeper knowledge helps you personalize your outreach and have more meaningful conversations with potential clients. Good sales intelligence leads to better conversations and higher conversion rates. There are three main reasons why sales intelligence matters. First, it saves you time by helping you focus on the most promising prospects instead of cold calling everyone. Second, it enables personalization. When you understand your prospect's business, you can tailor your message to their specific needs, making your outreach much more effective. Third, it improves your success rate. Sales teams that do proper research see higher response rates and close more deals. In today's market, buyers expect you to know about their company before you reach out. There are many tools available to help with sales intelligence. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is great for finding decision makers and understanding their professional background. Hunter.io specializes in finding email addresses. Rocketreach provides verified contact information for businesses. Apollo.io offers prospecting and outreach automation. ZoomInfo has a large database of company and contact information. Clearbit enriches your customer data with company details. And Seamless.ai uses artificial intelligence to find prospects. Each tool has different strengths, so many sales teams use multiple tools together. When using sales intelligence tools, start by defining your ideal customer profile. Ask yourself who your best customers are, what industries they're in, and what challenges they face. Then use the tools to search for companies and contacts that match this profile. Once you find prospects, dig deeper. Read their recent LinkedIn updates, check their company website, look for any announcements about funding or expansion. Use this information to find specific pain points that your solution can address. Finally, craft a personalized message that shows you've done your homework. This approach dramatically improves your response rates. When conducting sales research, follow these best practices. First, verify the information. Check multiple sources to ensure the contact details and company information are current. Second, go deep on decision makers. Find not just any contact, but the person who actually has buying power. Third, document everything. Keep notes on what you learned about each prospect so your team stays aligned. Fourth, respect privacy and data protection laws. Make sure the tools you use comply with regulations like GDPR. Fifth, combine tools strategically. No single tool has everything, so use a combination that covers company research, contact discovery, and verification. And finally, update your research regularly because company information changes quickly. When choosing sales intelligence tools, consider four main factors. First, budget and return on investment. Look at the pricing model and cost per lead. Consider how many team members need access and if the tool offers a free trial so you can test it first. Second, integration and API capabilities. Make sure the tool connects with your customer relationship management system and other tools your team already uses. Third, data quality and accuracy. A cheaper tool with outdated information wastes your time. Read reviews and test the tool before committing. Fourth, user interface and ease of use. Your team needs to actually use the tool, so it should be intuitive. Start with a free trial or demo to see if it fits your workflow. Let's summarize the key points. First, data tools are essential for modern sales research and prospect qualification. They help you work smarter and more strategically. Second, different tools serve different purposes. Combine multiple sources for the best results. Third, quality research leads to personalized and relevant outreach, which results in higher conversion rates. Fourth, choose your tools based on your budget, customer relationship management integration, and data quality needs. Remember, the goal of sales intelligence is not just to find more prospects, but to find the right prospects and engage them in a meaningful way. Start your research today and combine smart data tools with personal research to build stronger prospect relationships and close more deals.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.